When you decide to invest in a paid language learning course, you want more than just fun drills. You want serious progress, usability across devices, and value for money. Two major names in this space are Rosetta Stone and Busuu. They both deliver strong language learning experiences, but they approach the task differently. Let's compare how each works, and then pick which might suit you best. First up, Rosetta Stone. Rosetta's approach is very immersive. From the start, you see images, hear the target language, speak into the mic, and mostly avoid translations back to your native language. This method encourages you to think in the new language. It supports a large number of languages, around 25 offered. Rosetta also features a strong speech recognition tool called True Accent that gives instant feedback on your pronunciation. On the flip side, some users find the lessons repetitive, and the immersive style may feel harder if you prefer translation and explicit grammar. Now let's talk about Busuu. Busuu takes a somewhat different approach. It offers shorter lessons, interactive drills, grammar explanations, and community feedback on writing and speaking tasks. It is generally more affordable in its premium tier and includes features like review sessions tailored to your weak words via spaced repetition. Also, if you value learning in bite-sized chunks and getting feedback from other learners or native speakers, Busuu shines there. But its speech recognition and immersive no-translation style are generally rated lower compared to Rosetta. So which one is best for you? If your priority is deep immersion, strong pronunciation feedback, and you are willing to commit time and concentration, then Rosetta Stone is a top choice. It works especially well if you learn best by visual cues, audio, and being in the language, rather than referencing your native tongue. On the other hand, if you want flexibility, shorter lessons, explicit grammar help, community interaction, and generally lower cost per month, then Busuu may be a better fit. Whichever you pick, the most important factor will always be consistency, using the tool regularly, every day if possible. Paid or free, the tool only works if you work it. Good luck with your language journey.